Hello students, welcome to my channel Let's Study Business at Home। ये वीडियो हमारी बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट की सेकंड वीडियो है और इस वीडियो में हम डायमेंशंस ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। द फर्स्ट वीडियो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट व्हाट इज़ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट। तो जस्ट आई वांट यू टू रिकॉल ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स वंस अगेन। Business environment means the sum total of all individuals, institutions and other forces that are outside the control of the business enterprises but may affect its performance. This we have discussed in detail with the features and all. So we all know that we cannot control the external situations. We have to make changes in our organization according to different changes whatever is going on outside the organization. We also studied in the previous video that we have lots of forces, specific forces we have, general forces we have, and both the forces we discussed in the previous class. Like business environment include both the specific and general forces, and specific forces are investors, customers, competitors and suppliers, which affects individual or enterprises directly or immediately in the day-to-day working. But in the general forces, when we are talking about, these are basically the external forces which affects all the enterprises, not only the individual but all the enterprises on the behalf according to the external changes. These changes may be in the social environment, political environment, legal environment, economical environment and technological environment. So today we are going to study the dimension of business environment which are related to only these 5 general forces. I hope you all will note down the examples also. These are the 5 dimensions which we are going to study. These are legal, political, social, economical and technological. Now one by one we'll study these dimensions in detail, and basically CBSE may ask case studies also from these dimensions. So be very careful when you are studying these dimensions. First is legal environment. Now what is legal environment? Basically the legal or regulatory environment comprises diverse laws which are or legislation which are passed by the government, administrative orders which are issued by the government authorities, and the whatever laws and judgments which court is making for the organization, for the political parties, for the companies. So these are basically the order on the legal basis which everyone has to follow. It is important for the management for every enterprise to obey the law. An adequate knowledge of rules and regulations formed by the government is very important for the better performance of the enterprise. Let's take an example. The advertisement of alcohol beverages is prohibited. It should be, ये सबको मालूम है, and advertisement should be banned. Or this is, if you are showing it, so that means you are violating the legal environment. Advertisement including packets of cigarettes carry the statutory warning that is cigarette smoking is injurious to health. As per the law, it should be mentioned on the packaging of the product that what side effects the customer may have. Again, it's a choice of the customer whether he has to consume it or not. But as per the legal law, the company has to give the warning on the package to the customer. So this is basically the legal environment which we were discussing. All the laws, all the regulations which the court is, you can say the court is issuing on time to time. In India, working knowledge of the different act also is very important for the each and every company, or you can say the businessman, like the Companies Act 2013, the Consumer Protection Act 2013, then we have some Workmen Compensation Act 1923, then we have Competition Act 2002. Then we have Trade Union Act 1926. These are many acts which each and every organization should know about these, and whatever changes are coming in these act, the proper knowledge should be there. प्रॉपर रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस के बारे में हर बिजनेसमैन को पता होना चाहिए. ही शुड बी वेरी वेरी अवेयर ऑफ द वॉट एवर चेंजेस आर कमिंग इन द लीगल एनवायरमेंट एंड वॉट एवर लॉज द गवर्नमेंट और द यू कैन से द कोर्ट इज इशूइंग, द गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटी और द कोर्ट इज इशूइंग ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ द for the, you can say, the customer or for the companies and all. So this was the legal environment. Now we are coming on the second one, that is the economic environment. We all know the term of economic basically. The economic environment consists of financial factors, all the financial factors, and we all know that the financial factors affect our business enterprises directly. So these are basically the interest rates, inflation rate, change in disposable income of people, stock market indices we have, and then value of rupee etc. And these are the factors which जो affect करते हैं directly company को और affect करते हैं किसको, profitability of the company को. If the tax rate is going high, so that means they have to pay more taxes. If they are paying more taxes, then the price of the product will be very very high, and the price of the product will be high, maybe the demand कम हो सकती है उसकी. तो again any change in economic factors directly affects the profitability of the business. We have different components of economic environment like rates of saving and investment, change in the level of inflation, policies to promote foreign direct investment, that is FDI, then money supply in the economy, the rates of growth of GNP and the per capita income. Again it will also affect the enterprise profitability. Increase in the interest rate, increase in the cost of production. So these all are the basically the factors which affects the economic environment of the enterprise. So it is very very important for the businessman to understand the economic environment also. You may include some more example in this, like money supply in the economy we have, then you can public debt also affected. Public debt may be internal and external, then planned outlet of in private and the public sector. These are the things which directly affect the you can say the profitability of the business. Now you can say that a high inflation rate generally results in the constraint on the business enterprises as they increase the various cost of the business, such as the purchase of raw material will increase, machinery की cost बढ़ जाएगी, payment of wages will increase, and the salary to employees also you have to increase accordingly. So again it will affect the profitability of the enterprise. It is very important, and whenever the CBSE is asking in the related to these dimensions in the form of the case study, they used to give you these points on that. You have to identify these points. Maybe some condition will be there related to the stock market indices, maybe related to the increase in interest rate, maybe it will be related to the value of the rupee. Whenever something which is related to the money is given, condition is there, and changing organization is changing decision on the basis of these factors, that means case study is talking about the economic environment. So we have to think about that. Next we are coming on the very very interesting one, technological environment. And we all know about the technology and we all wants to use new technology basically, है ना. पुरानी टेक्नोलॉजी कोई यूज़ नहीं करना चाहता है. अब आप जो सेल फोन यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, आप जो डिफरेंट ऐप्स यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, दैट इज़ न्यू वन यू वांट टू यूज़. पुरानी चीज़ों के लिए तो यू कैन से योर फ्रेंड ऑल्सो, आप कहते हैं कि यार क्या तुमने ये वाला फ़ोन लिया हुआ है एंड ऑल. जनरली वी यूज टू टॉक व्हाई कि एवरीवन वांट्स टू अपग्रेड themselves in the form of the technology also. So technology environment is very very important for the enterprise. और technological environment के लिए scientific improvements का, innovations का, new ideas का, new goods and services का होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो जाता है. तो सारा कुछ इसमें include होता है. Technological environment, not only the electronic one, it is there in each and everything, whether we are talking about the packaging, whether we are talking new technological packaging, we are talking about new method of production, we are talking about about, that all will come under the technological environment. So technological environment includes forces related to specific scientific improvements and innovation, which provides new way to producing goods and services, and new method and techniques of operating a cycle. We can take example in this, like growing use and method of e-payment. We all are doing e-payments now. Paytm we are using Google Pay and all. So these are the things which we are use, जो पहले नहीं थी मगर अब हम use कर रहे हैं. Now we are taking classes using the different app. Why? This is only because of the technology we are studying at home right now. And automation of stock exchange, everything is online in the stock exchange. Growing inclination of the people towards the online shopping. सबको ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग पसंद है, सब करना चाहते हैं ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग. बाय ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी. देन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट AI is coming in the field now, and with the help of different use of product. You can see न्यूज़ चैनल पर आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि now the robots are supplying medicines to the patients in the hospitals. Why? It's again the innovation of the new technology. It's the innovation and the development of the technology. Growing use of method, that is e-payment, like these are the things which shows that के टेक्नोलॉजिकल इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है. आप देख सकते हैं कि एयरलाइंस कंपनीज इंटरनेट वर्ल्ड वाइड यूज़ करती हैं, है ना. फ्लाइट का टाइम एंड ऑल, सब कुछ एवरीथिंग ई बुकिंग हो रही है, टिकट्स की एंड ऑल, होटल्स की ई बुकिंग हो रही है. दैट ऑल विल कम अंडर दी टेक्नोलॉजिकल एनवायरनमेंट. और किसी भी कंपनी के लिए टेक्नोलॉजिकली अपग्रेड का होना अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है if they want to stay in the market for the long run. It is very very important. Next we have the social environment in which we are living, and it is very important. Like social environment में we have our customs, tradition, values, social trends we have, then society's expectation we have. These all will come under the social environment. On the other hand, we can say the other democratic factor also will come in this, like the size and the composition of the population, and you can say life expectancy of the people. Then you can say the level of the literacy, birth and death rate, population shifts, education system कैसा है, literacy rate कैसा है, expectation from the workforce क्या है, concern with the quality of life, whether you are concerned with the quality of life and all. These all will come in the society में. You can take the example of that कि और इसका इफेक्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पर कैसे पड़ता है. लाइक कोई भी फेस्टिवल आता है और उस फेस्टिवल पे, उन पर्टिकुलर फेस्टिवल पे जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ होते हैं, लाइक जो भी मिठाइयाँ बनती हैं, उनकी डिमांड्स बढ़ जाती है. लाइक इंक्रीज इन द डिमांड्स ऑफ द गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज ड्यूरिंग फेस्टिवल लाइक होली, दिवाली, ईद एंड क्रिसमस. उसके साथ साथ जो है आजकल रेडीमेड फूड का जो डिमांड है वो बढ़ती जा रही है. लाइक ईजी टू कुक फूड. क्यों? क्योंकि पीपल आर डिमांडिंग only because of the time shortage, या they want to do something new, they want to eat something new. So they generally used to raise in demand for the ready to eat food. Again, only because of the high pollution, there is a growing demand of air purifiers, alternate fuels, hybrid cars, demand of reservation in jobs for minorities and women. This is also increasing. This is also a social factor which affects our society. Increase in demand for organic food is also increasing now. The लोग जो हैं जंक फूड तो ठीक है, youth is preferring that, मगर they are going towards the use of organic food also. So this is a social environment basically which affects the demand of the, you can say, the society. In India, individual freedom, social justice, equality of opportunities, national integration are the example of major value cherished by all of us. In business terms, these values translate into freedom of choice in the market, and then business responsibility towards the society, and non-discriminatory employment practices. ये सारा आपका किस में इंक्लूड होता है? सोशल एनवायरनमेंट. अगर इफ़ यू आर डूइंग एनी डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी एम्प्लॉयमेंट practices, that means you are violating the rules which is related to the social environment. and मतलब एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को सोशल एनवायरनमेंट वायलेट नहीं करना चाहिए. Next, we have the political environment. Political environment is basically, you can say, the various aspects related to the functioning of the government in the country. Where the business operates, they have to follow the rules and regulation or the political rules and regulations also, and also have an important bearing on its smooth working. The main constituents of political environment are general stability and the peace in the country. बहुत इफेक्ट पड़ता है इन्वेस्टर्स का भी किसी भी कंपनी में. If you are finding that the government is stable and the country is in very peace, then investors may invest more in the company. The image of the country and its leader कैसी है इन मतलब नॉट ओनली इन द आर ओन कंट्री बट द दूसरी कंट्रीज़ में भी हमारी जो पॉलिटिकल इमेज है वो कैसी है, वो बहुत अफेक्ट करती है और वो इन्फ्लुएंस करती है अदर कंपनीज़ को, तो दे कैन कम एंड इन्वेस्ट इन आर कंट्री. फॉरेन पॉलिसीज़ कैसी परस्यू की जाती हैं. What is the attitude of the government towards the various types of business organization? एंड आप देख ही रहे हैं आजकल स्किल इंडिया एंड ऑल, उसको भी बढ़ावा दिया जा रहा है. वाई? ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो हैं आपके आए और आप हैं मतलब अपनी देश की चीज़ बनी हुई चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल करें. तो ये इफ़ेक्ट आता है किसी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का, और हर कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी अपने साथ कुछ नया लाने की कोशिश करती है टू डू सम चेंजेस. यू कैन टेक सम एग्जाम्पल फॉर दैट, लाइक फ्रीक्वेंट विजिट ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर टू डिफरेंट कंट्रीज फॉर promoting cordial business relationship. To increase the cordial relationship with the other country, the frequent visit of prime minister is going on. You can see, and you can see the difference. You must have analyzed the situations now, whatever is going on. And implementation of GST we have, demonetization we have. So these are the things which we can identify that these are the examples of the political environment. So now, after these 5 dimensions, one question for you, and I hope you all will note it down. You just pause the video and you just read these situations and find out what type of environment we are talking about in this. Which type of environment we are talking in this. First of all, you can say the court passed an order that all the school must have water purifier for the school children. As why they are court is issuing these type of notices, you can say order, you can say society in general is more concerned about the quality of life now. That means society is more concerned about the quality of life. Innovative techniques are being developed to manufacture water purifier, and income are rising, and the children at home are also drinking purifying water. So they want, if they are drinking purifying water at home, that they want that water should be there in the school also. तो again उनकी health को देखते हुए and all ये सब आपके कोर्ट ने issue किए हैं now. And government is also showing positive attitude towards the water purifier business. They want to they are also happy कि अच्छा है अगर इस तरीके के businesses आएंगे. Now you have to identify the different dimensions of business environment by quoting. That means in front of the each line, by quoting the line, you have to identify it. So we are coming on the first one. Society in general is more concerned about the quality of life. That means here we are talking about the society and the quality of life which is related to the society. That means here in point number 1 we are talking about the social environment. Second, innovative techniques are being developed. It is very simple. You आपने identify कर लिया होगा. Innovative techniques will come in the technological environment. Which type of purifier will be more suitable for the society. Then we have income are raising. Here we are talking about the income are raising. That means we are talking about the what? That means economic environment. If the income are raising, the demand will also increase. So here, because income is raising and the children are using you can say the purifier at home also, that means income is raising, that means standard of living is going up. Here we are talking about the economic environment. Next is the government is also showing positive. Government, here we are talking about the positive. That means they are positive. They are giving you can say the wide range to the other you can say companies, they can come in the field of the water purifier, they can come with their innovations, with their technological advancements. So here the government is more you can say the positive towards the water purifier business. So that means here we are talking about the political environment. Now we are coming on the top one, the court passed order. That means here we are talking about the court is giving order. That means if the court is giving order, that each and everyone has to follow it, and all the orders which are given by the court, that comes under the legal environment. So here in this case you can see we all have 5 environment which we discussed earlier. आई होप आप सबको ये समझ में आ गए होंगे, एंड आई होप आपने सबने ये नोट डाउन कर लिया होगा, एंड प्लीज़ क्रॉस चेक योर आंसर्स ऑल्सो. Thanks for watching.